Look at this very cute grasshopper. He's tiny. That green grasshopper. If I'm going too close, he's gonna jump away. Look. Very tiny. Huh? Very fortunate that he's just staying and freezing like that. Wow. It's very tiny. I'm trying my best. Hope you enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I always try my best. Thank you so much. Isn't he adorable? Oh, shame. Look there. Oh, it's so cute. He's very small. I zoom in.